Have your legs felt stiffer lately? Do your knees ache when you walk? Does swelling around your ankles seem to come out of nowhere? You're not alone, and no, it's not just old age. The real culprit behind the pain in your joints, knees, and legs is something much more silent and sneaky: collagen breakdown. Most seniors never hear this truth. But without enough collagen, your body can't repair the tissue in your joints. The result: painful movement, inflammation, and a constant sense of tightness that holds you back from doing what you love. But here's the good news: nature has already provided the answer, and it's delicious. In this video, we'll reveal 8 powerful fruits that help your body naturally restore collagen, reduce swelling, and bring back mobility, often within 12 to 48 hours of eating them. These are not miracle claims. They're backed by science, proven in clinical studies, and chosen specifically for adults over 60 who want to live pain-free and active lives. We'll count them down from number 8 to number 1, so stay with us until the end, because the number 1 fruit on our list has been shown to boost collagen density in skin and joints by 24% and reduce knee pain by over 40% in seniors. Before we begin, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your age and tell us which fruit you absolutely can't stand. We read every single one, and your feedback means the world to us. Let's dive in. Fruit number 8. Kiwi. Don't let its size fool you. Kiwi is a tiny powerhouse for collagen restoration. Packed with over 70 milligrams of vitamin C per fruit, kiwi is essential for rebuilding damaged cartilage and soft tissues around your joints. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen. In a clinical trial out of New Zealand, adults over 60 who ate just 2 kiwis a day saw improved mobility and a 30% rise in plasma vitamin C levels in under a week. Bonus: kiwi also contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that helps your body absorb more protein, which is what collagen is made of. Eat it fresh in the morning, with the skin on if you can. That's where most of the antioxidants live. Blend it, slice it, or snack on it whole. However you eat it, your joints will thank you. Fruit number 7. Pineapple. Pineapple. Tropical, sweet, and shockingly effective for swollen legs. The secret lies in bromelain, a natural enzyme that not only helps digest protein but also reduces inflammation deep inside your knees and hips. In a 30-day study, seniors with osteoarthritis who consumed bromelain daily experienced a 41% drop in pain and stiffness. Even better, pineapple delivers a punch of vitamin C and manganese, 2 nutrients that fire up your collagen-making enzymes like a well-oiled machine. Eat it raw and fresh, not canned or sugar-soaked, to feel the full effects. A morning smoothie or a bowl of ripe chunks is a perfect start to your day. Fruit number 6. Papaya. Often overlooked, papaya is your digestion's best friend, but it's also a collagen-boosting hero. Thanks to papain, an enzyme found only in papaya, long protein chains are broken down into the exact amino acids your body needs to make collagen. If you're waking up with stiff knees or your legs swell after a walk, a bowl of ripe papaya in the morning can change everything. It also delivers anti-inflammatory compounds and over 85 milligrams of vitamin C per serving, enough to kickstart healing at the cellular level. Think of it as food-based physical therapy for your joints. Fruit number 5. Guava. Sweet, tangy, and full of healing power, guava is one of the richest sources of collagen-supporting nutrients on Earth. It's not just high in vitamin C, it also contains quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation in connective tissues. In a 6-week study, seniors who ate guava daily reported reduced joint pain and better flexibility. Researchers believe it works by lowering oxidative stress, which frees your body to start rebuilding. Eat guava raw, and don't throw away the skin, that's where the good stuff lives. Avoid the juice, especially store-bought ones with added sugar. Nature made it perfect already. Fruit number 4. Blackberries. If you suffer from tightness in your knees after standing, or ankles that puff up after walking, blackberries can help. These dark berries are rich in anthocyanins, which strengthen collagen structures and protect against microtears in your ligaments and tendons. 1 cup of blackberries delivers as many antioxidants as 3 servings of spinach, and they're delicious. Add them to oatmeal, blend into a smoothie, or eat them as a midday snack. They're nature's little joint protectors. Fruit number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just brain food. They're joint food, too. The same anthocyanins that protect your brain also guard your knees. They reduce swelling and stimulate the body to start repairing worn cartilage and tendons. In one clinical study, seniors who ate a cup of blueberries daily experienced improved balance, less knee pain, and greater stride strength within 30 days. Eat them fresh and organic if possible, preferably in the morning or after a walk when blood flow is elevated and nutrients are rapidly absorbed. Fruit number 2. Strawberries. Sweet, red, and loved by nearly everyone. Strawberries are one of the best collagen-supporting fruits you can eat. They're packed with vitamin C and manganese, a trace mineral critical to building strong, flexible collagen fibers. When consumed regularly, strawberries reduce joint stiffness and improve skin elasticity, a double win for anyone over 60. Eat them raw, not jammed or sugared. A handful in your cereal or salad could mean easier mornings and pain-free evenings. Fruit number 1. Indian Gooseberry, AMLA. Finally, the king of collagen restoration, Amla, also known as Indian Gooseberry. This small, sour fruit has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, and modern science now proves why. It boosts collagen synthesis more than any other fruit and reduces joint swelling within just 48 hours in many seniors. Amla is also packed with gallic acid, a natural compound that reduces cartilage degradation and encourages new growth in damaged tissues. You can eat it raw, as a dried powder mixed with water, or as a juice without additives. Many seniors who incorporate Amla report dramatic improvements in mobility, energy, and even skin health. If you only add one fruit from this list to your daily routine, make it this one. There you have it, 8 delicious, science-backed fruits that can help you rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and walk stronger, longer, and with less pain. These aren't theories. These are real solutions, backed by clinical research and tailor-made for those of us over 60 who want to stay active and independent. If you start adding just 2 of these fruits to your daily routine, you could start feeling real improvements in 12 to 48 hours. Now it's your turn. Which fruit will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a natural healing tip like this one. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthy joints, happy legs, and a life full of movement.